So this session, though it is called as goal setting and time management or time management, this session is more about how we can be better as a student, as an individual, and हम क्या कर सकते हैं, what to do with our time.
To eliminate my distraction and resolve my mistake in previous exam in one.
Yeah, that is what you will do. How will you do that? Yeah.
To top the class, to score full marks in at least maths and science.
Long-term goal to be a mechatronic or civil engineer and earn money and settle down in DBA. So that I want to be a civil or a mechatronic. So what I want to be. So if there are two different choices, so which choice I want to choose?
Choice
so
you will take.
We would analyze ourselves and what we have done mistake, and then resolving that mistake and go upwards. So breaking the goal beyond that.
So now we are going to look at how we are going to use that 24 hours. The first thing in time management is understanding the value of time.
Complete goal. So I was confused with two options. So now I know what I want to do in future.
Very amazing part, like 1 foot 1 cent, 2 foot 2 centimeter. Slowly and steadily we will come so forward than others.
Realize that I should not do it so that I can bring a 95% in the 10th board. And plus, I really like the activity of stretching yourself, our boundaries, our limitations. For that we can do further our plans and execute it.
In the morning only I complained that I have not done this homework because I didn't have time. Then when this session go on, now I feel like I have a lot of time, but I don't use it. So thank you for making me realize that I have a lot of time to execute my goals.